Welcome to our roundup of the best electric bikes under $500. If you are searching for an affordable way to upgrade your daily commute, enjoy weekend rides, or simply explore your city with less effort, you are in the right place. Electric bikes are becoming more popular than ever, and the good news is you do not have to spend a fortune to get a reliable and fun ride. In this video, we have carefully selected top-rated, budget-friendly electric bikes that deliver impressive performance, comfort, and durability without breaking the bank. We'll walk you through each model's key features, including motor power, battery range, speed, design, and overall usability, so you can confidently choose the perfect one for your needs. Make sure to check the description box below for the latest deals and updated prices on all the bikes featured in this video. Now, let's get started and find the best electric bike for you. The first on the list is the Sapato Folding Electric Bike. The Sapato Folding Electric Bike is a great option for riders who want a compact and portable solution without sacrificing performance. Powerful motor performance, foldable compact design, and long-range battery are the standout highlights that make this bike an excellent entry point into the world of electric commuting. Equipped with a strong motor, it delivers smooth acceleration and enough power to handle daily rides across city streets and light inclines with ease. Whether you're heading to work or just cruising around your neighborhood, this bike keeps the ride enjoyable and efficient. One of the biggest advantages of the Sapato is its foldable design. It can be quickly collapsed into a smaller size, making it ideal for people who live in apartments, use public transportation, or have limited storage space. You can easily carry it into elevators, store it under a desk, or fit it in the trunk of your car. Despite its compact form, the frame feels sturdy and reliable, giving riders confidence during everyday use. Battery performance is another strong point here. The bike offers a decent riding range on a single charge, allowing you to complete your daily commute without constantly worrying about recharging. The pedal assist system also helps extend battery life by reducing the effort required while riding. Combined with its lightweight structure, this ensures a smooth and energy-efficient experience. Comfort has not been overlooked either. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars allow riders of different heights to find a comfortable riding position. Overall, the Sapato Folding Electric Bike is a smart choice for beginners and commuters who value portability, convenience, and reliable performance at an affordable price. Next up is the Kwai Electric Bike for adults. The Kwai Electric Bike for adults stands out as a versatile and stylish option for riders who want both power and comfort. With high torque motor, removable lithium battery, and durable frame build, this bike offers a balanced mix of performance and practicality. The motor delivers consistent power, making it easier to tackle hills, longer distances, and everyday commuting without feeling fatigued. One of the key highlights is its removable battery. This feature adds a level of convenience that many riders will appreciate. Instead of bringing the entire bike near a charging point, you can simply remove the battery and charge it indoors. This is especially useful for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited access to outdoor power sources. The battery provides a solid range, allowing for extended rides without frequent interruptions. The frame design is both durable and visually appealing. Built with strong materials, it supports riders comfortably while maintaining stability on different terrains. Whether you're riding on paved roads or slightly rough paths, the bike feels steady and well-balanced. The suspension system and shock-absorbing tires further enhance comfort, reducing vibrations during longer rides. Another advantage is its user-friendly controls. The bike features an intuitive display that shows speed, battery level, and riding mode. Switching between pedal assist levels is simple, allowing riders to customize their experience based on terrain and energy levels. Overall, the Kwai Electric Bike for adults is a dependable and comfortable option that offers great value for riders looking for a smooth and practical electric biking experience. Next, we have the Hoverfly Area 26-inch electric bike. The Hoverfly Area 26-inch electric bike is designed for riders who want a more traditional bicycle feel, combined with the benefits of electric assistance. Its large 26-inch wheels, efficient brushless motor, and extended riding range make it a strong contender in this price range. The larger wheels provide better stability and smoother rolling over uneven surfaces, making it ideal for both city roads and light off-road trails. Performance-wise, the brushless motor ensures a quiet and efficient ride. It delivers steady power that feels natural, especially when using pedal assist. Riders can enjoy a comfortable cruising speed without putting too much strain on their legs, making it perfect for longer journeys or daily commutes. The battery system offers a reliable range, allowing you to travel significant distances on a single charge. This makes it suitable for people who need a dependable bike for work, errands, or leisure rides. The integration of pedal assist and throttle options give riders flexibility in how they want to ride, whether they prefer a more active or relaxed experience. Overall, the Hoverfly Araya 26-inch electric bike is a great choice for those who want a classic bike feel with modern electric assistance and dependable performance. Next, we have the Arpent electric bike for adults. The Arpent electric bike for adults is built for riders who want a powerful and feature-packed option without exceeding their budget. Featuring high-speed capability, strong frame construction, and multi-riding modes, this bike delivers a dynamic and customizable riding experience. Its motor provides strong acceleration, allowing you to reach higher speeds quickly and handle different terrains with ease. One of the standout features is its versatility. The bike offers multiple riding modes, including full electric, pedal assist, and traditional cycling. This flexibility allows riders to switch depending on their needs, whether conserving battery, getting exercise, or enjoying a relaxed ride. The frame is built to be sturdy and reliable, supporting riders comfortably while maintaining balance and control. This makes it suitable for both urban commuting and occasional off-road adventures. The tires are designed to provide good traction, ensuring stability even on uneven or slightly rough surfaces. Overall, the Arpent electric bike for adults is an excellent option for riders who want power, flexibility, and durability in a budget-friendly package. The last one on our list is the Go Keep folding electric bike. The Go Keep folding electric bike is the most powerful option on this list, designed for riders who want maximum performance at an affordable price. With ultra-powerful motor output, high-speed performance, and compact folding design, this bike stands out as a top-tier choice in the budget category. The high-watt motor delivers exceptional acceleration and speed, making it perfect for riders who want a more thrilling and energetic ride. Overall, the Go Keep folding electric bike is a powerful, versatile, and highly capable option that delivers outstanding performance, making it the best choice for riders who want speed, portability, and value in one package. So that wraps up our list of the best electric bikes under $500. Each of these bikes offers something unique, whether it's portability, comfort, power, or overall versatility. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and buying guides. All the product links are available in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.